Good fucking morning. I have my coffee here. Look at this. क्या बोलूँ मैं इसको? I don't know. But this here, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Just a second. I'll just light up my candle and we'll talk. I got this art piece. I got this art piece printed out. This basically shows the imperfections on how you should not be perfect with your work and you should just work. So that is why the bold and the different font and different different alignment of alphabets basically shows that that you should not chase perfectionism. You should rather just work. This is beautiful. ठीक है? This is beautiful. This is good. Good. Let's talk. Don't mind the mess पीछे. I have made this room really, really good. I know ये कैसा था and और मेरे को नहीं पता मैं 4K पे क्यों शूट कर रहा हूँ. I hope I'm in focus. कल किसी से कैमरा गिर गया था ये वाला. एंड मैं डीप शॉक में था उस टाइम पे कि ये कैमरा गिर गया. ओ माई गॉड, व्हाट एम आई गोना डू नाउ? मैं कंटेंट बनाऊंगा कैसे? हाँ, वो डर था कि साला कैमरा गिर गया, वैनचोद खर्चा वगैरह ये वो. बट इट वाज मोर लाइक कि अब भाई अगर कुछ हो गया तो अगर ये नहीं चला तो फिर मैं कंटेंट कैसे बनाऊंगा? और 200 रुपये पड़े हैं जेब में. सो नया लेंस भी नहीं ले सकते. तो या आई वॉज वॉचिंग ड्रू जॉइनर. शाउट आउट ड्रू जॉइनर. ही इज़ अ ग्रेट गाय. I don't know him. Well, he doesn't know me, I know him. I was also making scripts. Winter accessories you need. Must have winter accessories. And I don't know when this video goes live, but this reel I'm working on, it's must have winter accessories. Knitted caps, scarves, gloves. These three basically. Very basic, very simple. अगर तुमने notice किया होगा, my reels and my everything is very basic and very simple. Now people have this different approach towards basic कि हाँ अगर basic word है तो it's something like कि मतलब basic है, simple है, मतलब generic है. Dude, generic is not basic. Generic is not basic. ठीक है? मतलब यार देखो, I don't want to go with Oxford Dictionary के meanings. ठीक है? This is how I feel. ठीक है? Basic is not generic. ठीक है? Basic is much more beautiful than the general things we have. For example, this hoodie is really basic. I mean, yeah, something is written, something is embroidered here, but this is a basic grey hoodie. This is nothing. This is a basic look, a cap, a hoodie on. I mean, what more do you need? So basic is not bad. And this is very good. This is very good. How is it like to be? Yeah, that's great. Anyways, the realities of being a content creator, how it is like to be a content creator, and how what difficulties and what perks do you have of being a content creator. So yeah, let's dive in and let me wipe off this coffee that I've just spilled. Alright, the perks of being an influencer. I mean, there are a lot of perks of being an influencer, but the most well-known perk of being an influencer or being a being a well-known content creator is that you get a lot of free stuff. You get a lot of free stuff, and one day you'll realize कि मेरे को इतना सामान चाहिए भी. Do I really need that stuff? Do I really need to have like 10 pairs of shoes? Or do I really need to have 20 different hoodies? Or 2 same hoodies or 3 same hoodies? I mean, with time you tend to dial in and you digest the fact that you will get this much stuff, and फिर उसके बाद your approach towards stuff changes. For example, अगर you were not fine with this much stuff, तो you tend to want it more. कि हाँ मेरे पास अगर 15 हुडी हैं तो मेरे को 5 और चाहिए, मेरे को 6 और चाहिए. तो मतलब you changes your mind, which is also good. अगर काम कर रहे हो तो मिलेगा, नहीं कर रहे हो तो नहीं मिलेगा. एंड जब काम नहीं मिल रहा होता, which is also a very very common con, कि जब काम नहीं मिल रहा होता and then you tend to see कि oh I have not upgraded in a while, or my lifestyle has not upgraded in a while. That is where reality hits you. That is where you feel, am I doing this right? And let me bring you to the most common con of being a content creator: instability of income. I'd say there is a lot of instability in the income. मतलब at one point you can buy Starbucks every day, and at one point आई मीन कि मतलब कॉफ़ी क्या पानी मिल रहा है बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. दिस इज जस्ट अ मेटाफर. आई हैव हैड फंस कि मैं हर दिन कुछ भी कर सकता था. आई एम नॉट पेंटिंग अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर कि मैं कुछ भी ले सकता था. एज इन कि मैं बेसिक नीड्स जो मेरी महंगी महंगी नीड्स है, जैसे गेटिंग अ $400 कॉफ़ी और गेटिंग अ हुडी एवरी डे, शॉपिंग एवरी डे, वो कर सकता था. बट आई हैव सीन टाइम्स व्हेन कॉफ़ी, लाइक गेटिंग अ कॉफ़ी इज लेजर, राइट. मतलब वो $2 वाली कॉफ़ी की पैकेट्स होते हैं ना, आई कांट बाय दैट इन बल्क, राइट. नाउ आई एम नॉट गिविंग अ स्ट्रगल टाइम, मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ कि या दिस कैन हैपन एज वेल. बट विद टाइम श्योरली योर माइंड सेट चेंजेस एंड देन यू टेंड टू फाइंड वर्क इज वेल. मतलब तुम हाथ पैर मारते हो तो तुम्हें काम मिलता है. एंड वॉट आई हैव लर्न थ्रू माई years of content creation is that you should not stop posting. I know Nirvain posting on YouTube is something very different from Nirvain posting on Instagram, but it's like, I mean, yeah, if you're starting out creating content, never stop. Never stop. Trust me, it is very useful, and people underestimate the fact that content creation can pay you a lot. Content creation can flip your life. Trust me, तुम एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि तुम, ओह ये बंदा मेरे DMs में है, आई वॉच हिम ऑन TV. ओह आई एम टॉकिंग टू दिस गाय, आई वॉच दिस गाय ऑन TV. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि ये लड़का मेरे को फॉलो कर रहा है या ये बंदी मेरे को फॉलो कर रही है या दिस गाय इज फॉलोइंग मी, ही इज अ सेलिब्रिटी. नो, it's nothing about that. It's just, it can be done. So never stop creating content. Now I don't want to give you some BT over कि हाँ भाई content creation tough है. सब कुछ tough है, to be honest. Everything is really tough, to be honest. But you need to keep up with the consistency though, so that you get the results. If you won't keep up with the consistency, that will ultimately affect your growth, obviously, and you won't be able to see the income you want to see. That is what I have felt कि whenever it's like कि मैं हाथ पैर मारना बंद करूँगा ना कि हाँ मेरे को अगर काम चाहिए, तो अगर हाथ पैर मारना बंद कर रहा हूँ and I am dependent on someone else कि हाँ मेरे को कोई और काम देगा, that does not really work and that is not the best approach. See, first thing, that does not work. That has never worked for me कि मेरे को कोई काम देगा. जब तक मैं हाथ पैर नहीं ना मारूंगा, जब तक मैं ये नहीं चलाऊंगा, मैं डेस्क पे नहीं बैठा हूँ, आई एम नॉट टाइपिंग ईमेल्स और आई एम नॉट राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट्स और आई एम नॉट शूटिंग, आई एम नॉट प्रेसिंग दैट शटर, तब तक मेरे को काम नहीं मिलेगा और नहीं मिलता. बीइंग वेरी फ्रैंक, आई हैव सीन पीपल जो नेटवर्क्स के थ्रू बहुत ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं कि हाँ मेरा दोस्त कंटेंट क्रिएटर है तो मतलब हाँ मेरे को काम मिल जाएगा, आई कैन सेटल डाउन विद दिस. ना, मेरे साथ नहीं होता ऐसा. See, first thing, I did not have any friends इस स्पेस में, content creator वाला स्पेस में. Like all my friends are either engineers, software developers from the university I belong. They are designers. They are, they are working with someone. They are, I don't know how to explain it, but I do not have many friends that create content as a living. मेरे को पता है कि मैं अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ भी एक टाइम पे बैठा करता था ना, तो दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि क्या कर रहा है. नाउ दे श्योरली अंडरस्टैंड क्योंकि दे हैव सीन इट work for me. Shout out Aman, shout out Varun. These two guys, Aman is my school friend. We've been friends for over, I don't know, I don't even remember, 11th grade. And I love him a lot. That guy never doubted me. So you need to have at least one friend that does not doubt you. And if you're going in on this content creation thing or anything in general, you have this support with you कि हाँ भाई हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, कोई सीन नहीं है, कर लेंगे. एंड अमन इज एन इंजीनियर. शाउट आउट अमन अगेन. congrats on your degree, brother. Fucking love, beautiful. Congrats on being an engineer, brother. So you need to have people like these around you who trust you. There are surely ups and downs in the journey, but you can't just quit, कि हाँ मतलब आज मेरी रील नहीं चली तो मैं कल से कंटेंट नहीं डालूंगा. It is surely very demoralizing as well. It is demotivating. It is the gut wrenching pain you get when you have worked on a video and you don't get the desired views you want. Trust me, I've been facing that since 8 months now. 8 months. But did I stop? No, because we don't stop. Nirvain का drop आने वाला है. So I hope you check out the Instagram and you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know. I want to create uncut videos जिसमें ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. मतलब yeah, I'll surely do something more, but I want to get on with YouTube. I want to be consistent on YouTube because YouTube was always my first priority. Always. It's not like Instagram isn't, but I really like YouTube. I personally love YouTube creating content because I can be much more practical and much more raw there. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please make sure that you're subscribed, you like the video, and you share it with a friend that likes fashion and likes Nirvain. I'll see you in the next one.